Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a reticle in the center of your screen for your game. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to we're going to right click here, we're going to go to user interface. We're going to create a widget blueprint and we're just going to label this reticle or BP. And we're going to open this up right away. Let's bring this up here. Now we're going to take a canvas panel, we're going to drag it out. I'm going to drag this out to 1080p, and then we need to import our reticle. And I have my reticle here. I made this an Affinity photo. It's just literally a white circle on a transparent background. And what we'll do here is we will drag file this real quick, and now let's drag an image in here. Content drawer here, and underneath the brush section we are going to add the image here. Now you may be wondering, how do I know how to get it center? Well, if you scroll up here and we go to anchors, we can center our anchor, and now we know that this right here is the dead center. There we go. Now we can compile, save that. Can exit out of this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to open up our content drawer. Since we've got that, we're going to right click here, we're going to get a blueprint class, and in our search bar here we're going to type in HUD, and we're going to select that, and we'll just label this my HUD here. Open this up here. We're going to go straight into the event graph. We can delete these out. And under the event begin play, we're going to drag out of here, and we're going to create widget, and we will select our reticle right here. We will come out of that widget and we will add to viewport. Make sure we connect our target and our return value. Now we can compile and save that. Close this out. And for the final thing, we go to edit, project settings, go over to our maps and modes here, and where it says HUD class, we're going to choose our my HUD here, exit out of that, and now if we hit play, you can see that we have a reticle in the center of our screen. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.